he is inside the river right now, will be offering his prayers, walking straight inside, taking a dip in the holy Ganges. So that's the Prime Minister. This is all part of his scheduled program to take a dip in the holy Ganges river, and then after that go and do puja at the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and then inaugurate the temple corridor, which is the grand function of the day, which is going to be positioned by the BJP as the key highlight in the PM's constituency of Varanasi. There is also a corridor which has been made apart from the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. It's a sort of a walkway or a driveway which has been made, completely reimagined, basically trying to give the city of Varanasi a whole new look, particularly the areas right next to the Ghat. Ajoy Bose, a lot of it has to do with positioning and identity. At this moment, we see that a conscious effort has been made by the Congress and the Samajwadi Party, the SP, to say that, you're not the custodian of Hindu faith and religion. We were the ones who imagined this complex, not you. And then on the other hand, you have Rahul Gandhi, who only yesterday spoke about who's the real Hindu versus who's the fake Hindu. Do you, Mr. Ajay Bose, feel that the moment the conversation drifts to Hinduism or Hindus in any form, this is going to be advantage BJP? Because this is the game the BJP loves to play.
Well, firstly, this whole thing of creating new structures and giving a new look to amazing ancient towns and cities like Varanasi, which is one of my most favorite towns, is something which is a little odd, because I'm just back from Spain and they have these magnificent cathedrals across Spain with great religious traditions around them. And they preserve them really very well, beautifully. And millions of tourists come every year to visit them. And very rarely have I seen them being rebuilt or new structures coming up. They try to preserve the old, really, the way it was. I mean, of course, all repairs, maintenance, and restorations are there. And as you know, in North India, the religious tradition, the Hindu religious tradition, does not really focus on very magnificent temples, unlike in the South. That's my first question, first point. Secondly, this Hindu debate, obviously it's clear that the BJP's main plan has always been, and today even more so, has been the sole custodian of the Hindu tradition. It does work sometimes, it sometimes doesn't work. In Bengal, for instance, they tried their best, but it really boomeranged on them very badly. Because there are many other traditions, there are many other things which come into play in any election. Now we'll have to see whether this overriding Hindu image which the BJP has captured will be enough to subsume the many other identities